Today we have two iPhone XRs. It's a pink and a red one. This one, the customer said they ran over it. I mean, doesn't even turn on at all. You can hear it if somebody calls. So more likely on this one is the LCD. You can see how bad that bad boy looks. Crap, and I just cut myself with a piece of glass from there. But you can see really bad shape. And then they got this other one. This is a different customer. This one LCD and screen, you can see that they got it really messed up as well. So we're gonna fix these two today, iPhone XRs. We're gonna show you how to do them. We're just gonna do one on the video, and that way you can use them. Please leave your comments if you have any questions. We're gonna go from here right now. So first thing first, we're gonna take the screws out, and like I said, this one they ran over it, is in really bad shape. For that we're gonna use the start point 8 for the screws. Gonna use one of these tools and we're gonna go around it, push it in inside. And what I like to do is I like to use the guitar picks to hold it together and then just go around it. I forgot to mention, it helps a lot if you heat it up. This one, the screen's already all messed up, so for the most part it's easy to come off. Typically you wanna heat it up. That'll make it a lot easier to come off. And then we're gonna take the screws here and the screws over here for the battery. 3 of them. There we go. And then we'll take the screws up here. Screws for the battery right here, and the screws for the screen right here. And then we got more screws up here. And these go for the front camera, or I mean front speaker. Sorry, I'm used to say front camera. These screws are for the front speaker. And then just pull the screen out carefully. We got screws around here. We'll take them all. We like to test the screen to make sure it's gonna work. And as you can see, it is working. Battery is really low, so you can barely see it, but it's working. It's good. So we'll turn that off. And over here you want to heat it up a little bit. And we'll take 4 screws up here. 3 are Phillips. These 3 right here. And 1 Y 0.6. Y tip 0.6. And then We'll heat it up so it should be able to come off easier. There you are. And to take this plate, grab it from the top, pull it down. Now our screens already come with glue over here, so we don't need to add any more glue. But if they don't, I highly recommend you to use some kind of double-sided adhesive, because that way it helps to glue it together. And then this here. And there you are. Got all the screws back. And these newer iPhones are a lot easier to change the screen. I remember back in the day when we used to fix the iPhone X. I remember back in the day when we used to fix iPhone 4 or even iPhone 3GS, 3, I don't know how many of you remember those phones, but or fixing those phones at all, but we fixed plenty of those, and they were a lot of work. We had to take the whole phone apart, taking motherboard and everything to get to the screen. So it was a little different story on those phones. So I'm glad Apple made it a lot easier now. Otherwise it will take hours. But now they're a lot easier. So now I'm just gonna add the front speaker and make sure it goes there, it goes there. Now a little screw right there, it's a tiny little one. And Phillips. There you are. Now we plug this in. And there you are. And then we go with this other one again. This is the speaker. So there you are. we gotta do this one here. These are for the battery. Now please guys, make sure you put all the screws back. We fix some phones and sometimes when they come in with the phones they're missing all these plates or screws, and when we ask the customers where they if they were trying to fix it themselves, and they'll say that it was a repair shop that fixed their screen last time, and it's a shame that they don't take their time to put all the screws back where they belong. And so please please make sure you just put all your screws back in place. Some people think that they're the extra, that they're not needed, but if they're there for a reason. Yes, I agree with you. Sometimes they put too many screws that they don't need to be there. Okay, so this is done. Now we're gonna put it back together. Be very careful, because if you don't put it right and you push, you'll break the screen again. So it needs to be charged. Like I said, the battery was really low, so you can show us that it's low. There you go. Yeah, I'll finish with the screws and plug it into charge. Any questions, please leave a comment. Like I said, usually you want to heat them up around before you open. It just, this one was so bad that it was coming out by itself. And that's it. Thank you, and leave your comments or any questions about it. Thank you.